to meet Jesus, believing that she will be made whole by him. She was healed when Jesus touched her. Her life was transformed that moment. When God works in someone's life, He changes one's likes and desires altogether. Transforms the person from inside out, that no one remains the same ever after again. As Saul was on his way towards Damascus, God touched him and he became blind for a time. When Saul was made to see again, he became a different man. When God works in someone's life, He changes one's likes and desires altogether. Transforms the person from inside out, that no one remains the same ever after again. Jesus met the Samaritan at the well. He asked her for a cup of water to drink. He spoke and revealed who he was. The woman's life was changed forever. When God works in someone's life, He changes one's likes and desires altogether. Transforms the person from inside out, that no one remains the same ever after again. Have you met and been touched by Jesus, my friend? You will have no regret, I can assure you. And if you have not met Jesus yet, He is waiting for you to meet. When God works in someone's life, He changes one's likes and desires altogether. together, transformed